Hi, I'm Claire Bond, and today I am going to be listing off the top 10 things that you should be carrying in your carry-on the next time that you travel. All right, so I have had to do a lot of travel abroad and for work, and one of the things for me is being able to land and have everything I need and still look good. I know that may sound crazy, but if you have to travel for work or you're a blogger and you have to be able to take photos, you kind of probably understand what I'm talking about. You want to make sure that you can be able to do your hair, do your makeup, and really just kind of look how you normally look. So that is the goal of this list. Okay, so for me, in trying to make sure that getting to my end location and being able to recreate my makeup and everything like that, I have a lot of toiletries that I need to bring, and a fair amount of them are liquids. So I love this liquid bag. So I know a lot of times when you travel, you don't have to take out your liquid bag anymore, but when you go through small airports, like the last time I went through the Sacramento airport, they actually stopped me and they looked at my bag, so to make sure that nothing was oversized. So they still do check. It's not something you can forget because you may have a problem at some point. So make sure to pack your liquids accordingly and in a proper bag. So this one is TSA approved, and it's reusable. It has a zipper. I absolutely love it. My husband has the same one. I've had this one for over a year and it gets a lot of use and it's still great. So I'll make sure to link below so that you have a link to this one. All right, so that is number one. The number two, I'm looking at my list just so you know what I'm looking at, is a good makeup bag. So another blogger named Fashion Jackson recommended this one. I absolutely love it. It has like a little handle here and it zips. It holds your makeup brushes up here and other stuff over here, and it has like little compartments to hold all of the stuff that you have, and I absolutely love it. Just because when I am doing my makeup, I want to be able to go into the bathroom and then just go like this and have everything that I need ready to go, and then you can kind of close it up. It's perfect. So I'll make sure you have a link to this one. All right, number three, I love good snacks. So these are the things that I always have on me. I like to think Thin Bars, the high protein in white chocolate, those are my favorite. So this one, and I love the Kind protein, breakfast protein bars. So these are the bars that I always have with me, just in case, because I'm gluten-free, I can't find anything to eat on the plane. I can exist for several hours on some bars. All right, number four, comfortable clothes. So I always like to wear jeans because I like to make sure that I look good when I land, in case I have to just hit the ground running. So I go with comfortable jeans that have a lot of stretch on them. I will link to the ones that I love. They're by Levi's and they're fantastic. Another tip is to wear slip-on shoes with little footies on the inside. So when you take off your shoes, you can walk through the metal detector and everything like that, and you don't have to have your bare feet on the ground because that's gross. And slip-on shoes because you can easily take them on and put them back on. All right, so now we are at number five. So bring all of your chargers and electronics and make sure that they are readily available and in a bag. So this bag was actually a Kiehl's bag that my stepdaughter gave me for Christmas last year, but it was the perfect size to hold all of my electronics. Another thing that I did is my husband helped me find, for my MacBook Pro, he helped me find, this is a duplicate charger. It's not the one from Apple. I found another one. It's a no name, but it works just as well. So whenever I'm traveling, this is just ready to go and I just leave. I don't even think about it. I just grab this bag and leave. So that is what I would recommend. And I will leave links to the chargers that I like. All right, the next one is bring a book or bring your iPad. I always make sure to sync all of my magazines, podcasts, books, anything that I want on my iPad so it's ready to go. And yeah, it's charged up and ready to go. And if I have my chargers in here, if it runs low, you can charge it while you're on the plane. All right, the next one is bring a good moisturizer. So important. I always make sure because my face and my hands get so dry on the plane. So the ones, these are the ones that I'm loving. The one by Bliss, love it. And this one by Drunk Elephant, I'll make sure that you have the links to these. Fantastic. You can just, if your face is getting dry, you can just put a little on your face and then you can put this on your hand. So those are the ones that I absolutely love. All right, the next thing is, because I want, you know, this is really not that much as far as liquids go and the amount of stuff that I normally can bring with me. So 2 things that I do to reduce the number of liquids. Number 1 is bring a powdered toothpaste. This one is great. My husband loves it. It gives your teeth like a really nice fresh feeling. Like it kind of has like a little bit of grit to it, so it feels like your teeth are super clean, and it's super minty, and it has no toxic stuff in it. It's very natural. So I'll make sure you have a link to that. Another thing that I love is the bar soaps from Drunk Elephant. Fantastic. You can get them in a little container like this, or the one that I personally love is you can get the same ones in a little container like this, and basically this is waterproof. So you can use it, throw it in your bag, and you're not gonna have to worry about disgusting, slimy soap going around your bag. So this is perfect. I'll make sure that you have the link. All right, my final one is you know, I always like to have water when I'm on the plane. I don't wanna have to wait until they come by and bring you water and then they give it to you in a glass. So I always bring a reusable water bottle with me. You can fill it up when you're at the terminal and when you're at your location. I always have water with me everywhere I go. It's a lot easier than having to go buy some water in the terminal or once you get to your final destination if you just constantly refill your bottle. All right, so those are the top 10 things that I believe that you must have, or I love to have in my carry-on. Do you have things that you love to have in your carry-on? Please let me know down below. I also have additional tips on my blog at clairebond.com, and I'll make sure to give you the link below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.